Another node is for create plates. It's something like this. If you want to create a train like this, you can use a plate. It has a mask input and the output for connecting to the other nodes. You can change overall scale of your plates. Yeah, overall plates. You can change the stepness. As you can see, if you decrease the number of the steps, we have a flat area. This part, as you can see, flat area at the top. Collision. If you increase the number of the collision, the plates are collide to each other and going through each other and create such a these lines. It's exactly like a real board you can see in some mountain for creating this line. A slant. If you add a slant, it's add a second slope. As you can see, it's add a second slope to your plates. Inverse. It's actually rotate the direction of the slopes to 180 degree if you want, and the seed is changing the it's randomized the noise of your plates. If you want to all of this create by height map. Okay, for seeing the height map, as I said before, you can go to the 2D, enhance it, and another show the raw data and then enhance. As you can see, it is a R noise. The white area is going up, the higher height that you choose in a clamp, and or the height that you define here. This is a maximum height actually, and the black area is going down to create a valley or something like this. We can turn it to the off. So all of these nodes are made of height maps. Don't forget. Okay, that's it. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.